Is your iPhone or iPad app not responding? Does it crash, freeze, or refuse to open? Don't worry. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix unresponsive apps on your iPhone or iPad. How to fix an unresponsive app on iPhone and iPad. Easy step-by-step guide. First, let's force close the unresponsive app. On iPhones without a home button, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle. Now, swipe left or right to find the app that's not working. Finally, swipe up on the app's preview to close it. Try reopening the app to see if the issue is resolved. If the app is still not responding, restart your iPhone. Press and hold either volume button and the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone, then wait a few seconds. To turn it back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Press and hold volume plus side button. Drag the power slider to turn off, press the side button to turn back on next. Check if the app has updates. Open the App Store and tap your profile icon at the top. Scroll down to see pending updates. If an update is available for the app, tap Update next to it. Or tap Update All to update all apps. Open App Store, tap Profile icon. Scroll down and update apps. To ensure your apps stay up to date, enable automatic updates. Go to Settings, tap App Store, and make sure App Updates is turned on. Open Settings. Tap App Store. Turn on App Updates. Your iPhone or iPad's operating system might be outdated. To update iOS, go to Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Open Settings, tap General. Software Update. Install updates if available. If the app still doesn't work, try deleting and reinstalling it. Press and hold the app icon, then tap Remove App from the menu. A confirmation will appear. Tap Delete App to remove it. Keep in mind that this may delete app data. Once deleted, open the App Store, search for the app, and tap the Download button to reinstall it. Then check if the issue is fixed. Press and hold the app, tap Remove App, Delete App, Reinstall from App Store. If the problem persists, contact the app developer for support. In the App Store, find the app, tap it, and select App Support to report the issue. Open App Store. Find the app, tap App Support. And that's it. Now you know how to fix unresponsive apps on your iPhone or iPad. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Like and subscribe for more tech tips.